vehicles are in the process. This is the project road. So we want to know who are you.
This is Chief Nomad. We are leaving for Kiserian right now. We'll regroup at Kiserian. There are some guys who have gone ahead. Good morning, Nomads. It's been a minute. We just came back from Logipi, and today we decided to have a small meetup for our members. There are those who had missed out on our last trips and were feeling very bad about it. Today's trip was for them, it's a day trip. We're just going to enjoy views, enjoy each other's company, banter, you know, do a little off-roading, catch up with all nomads, meet new nomads, and have just an interesting time. You guys have been complaining when I've been made to chauffeur these guys everywhere. So today I'm sitting on not back left but back right. I'm enjoying myself totally. We are making our way to Kajiado. Tangu atoke Logipi ashikiki. That place was tough. The roads were brutal. The rains had really destroyed the roads and carried a lot of rocks. So we were actually building the road as we were going. Then October we were going to Silale and Kapedo, the only hot waterfall in Africa. The waterfall is hot. When you place your hand, you will draw it back very fast. But after a while, if you familiar, your body will adjust to the heat.
It is that hot
that it never dries. It never reduces, never dries. And then from Kapedo we go and camp. It's literally the best campsite I've ever been. The best. I've never gone to such a beautiful campsite ever. I still have dreams about it. It's really nice. The views, the sunset, the fact that it's really wild. There are no facilities, so we are carrying everything. We are carrying water for cooking, showering, and literally everything, because there are zero facilities.
Just to enjoy the views and the drive, banter, new friends, new nomads, and the usual nomads that we travel with. And I'll be the driver of the day. So I'm super excited. Yes. So maybe we'll talk as we go.
It's so that universe sounds like we're bringing people together. I'm the only lady driver in Lake Logipi.
the car enthusiast, and he believes that your car should be in a condition such that if you need to go somewhere, whether 10 kilometers away or 1,000 kilometers away, your car should be well maintained.
So guys, we are now about to start our off-road section, about 2/3 of this trip. It's just an easy trip to just get away from the city chaos and the issues of urban living and just enjoy the views and the company. Awesome people.
So guys, what I'm actually doing is reducing the pressure from the tires so that we have a smooth run on the off-road. The car doesn't bounce and give us hard time on the road.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Pressure ya gari, clearance like a ditch.
Yeah, so you gain and you lose.
Yeah.
So we're going to a more tougher place. Pole pole. Take your time, but move fast. Take your time. Catch. that the dirty vehicles are on the process. This is the project. So we want to know who are you. Mmesikia maneno ya Nairobi vile hivyo. Just stories. But yeah, we are proceeding.
That's what I'm telling you. Guys behind don't know what's happening.
Anaweza choma kwa radio.